What is plasma? Plasma is a very important and very abundant component of our blood. It is about 55% of our blood volume. It is actually the fluid part of the blood. It contains many solutes dissolved within it. Some inorganic and organic substances are dissolved within the plasma. Some gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide are also present within the plasma. Hormones are present and dissolved within the plasma, and they are transported from one region of the body to the other part of the body. Many waste which are to be eliminated from the body, they are also present within the plasma. Different proteins are also dissolved within the plasma, and these proteins have many important functions in the body. And there is a large amount of water within the plasma.